Boom, we going? Oh man, I can't see. Yes, we're going. All right. I have no idea how the sound is gonna work with scooter riding. I mean, back in the day, I was able to use the GoPro 7 with no issues. I was able to just record the scooter audio, but I feel like they made the microphones a little bit more susceptible to wind. It's just like windy, but I got the little windsock thing, so it should work. All right, 7.5 minutes on the clock, boys. Unless we beat that 40-mile-per-hour scooter, let's go. Oh my god. Fucking bro. Chill out. Holy crap, dude. Do not follow me. Freaking stupid dogs, bro. I hate dogs. Let's go, boys. Somehow feel like there's a bug in my, like right next to my eye. I don't even know how that's possible. Okay. Let's go. Hey, the light turned pretty fast. All right. Sometimes it works great, other times it doesn't turn at all. Most of the time it works pretty well though. Hey, the sun's coming out. I love that. Heck, bro. A stick? Dude, this is the most stuff that has happened on this ride. Get chased by my neighbor's dog. Feel like I ran over a stick. Bro, I'm so confused. The light turns immediately. Feel like I got a bug in my eye. It's like whatever can go wrong is going wrong. But at least I'm still quick off the line. So that's good. See, why you gotta, what are you doing? Are you an idiot? Like, you go that fast up to a red light and then you drive in the bike lane. I know you're turning. That's stupid. Just show a little patience. I always let off the throttle here because it's so freaking bumpy. Like, they need to redo this road, especially at the end here. The problem is the road itself is not that bad, so they're never going to repave it. It's just a bike lane that's like terrible for some reason. The last time I tried to record a scooter ride in 3D, I was using the Beam Pro, and that's when I said, screw this, because the field of view was just horrible. So this, hopefully, is a lot cooler. GoPro, stop recording.